I must apologize to everybody rolling into ordinary with my Igbo niile bụ dibia mantra. Gbayalụ n'ọka ekwensu si eme. O were ofu aka nye gị, were aka nke ọzọ n'alụ gị. Ife nna agwalụ ọnụ bụ na nsọ bụ dibia. That was what I didn't say as loudly as I was saying Igbo niile bụ dibia. Bụ na nsọ bụ dibia. Na kete imbegu mmụọ agụbagolo gị nsọ. Now you hear this and you think nsọ is don't eat fish, don't drink beer, don't smoke Igbo. But even going to places you know you should not go to bụ nsọ. Burying who you know you should not bury bụ nsọ. Ibi onye na-ekwesịrị ibi ọma, onye ma na-ekwesịrị ibi ọma. Igbo na-ebi ọma, but ibi onye wee anya na-ekwesịrị ibi ọma bụ nsọ. Nsọ is basically the thing that turns a dibia antisocial. How do you explain that you won't eat your auntie's food? How do you explain that you won't go to a family funeral? Asị na nwata bulu agwụ bulu ilu. But the problem is not even the nwata na-ebu agwụ self. The problem is that ndị fana mmụọ fana adịrọ na mma ka nkụ. When they be our family members, they leave the back door open for invaders to come in. Biazia endanger gị na mmụọ gị dị mma. And you know, come impress them. That are the fact. You know, come impress them, guy. So anything where your mmụọ no want, you know what I'm saying, polo gị nsọ. So unu ewe niwe na ma agwala unu earlier maka ma attach disclaimer na mbido this time last year.